Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Well, XRP is doing something right now that it has done a couple times recently that has led to some pretty serious gains, and I at least just want to show you what I'm seeing and get your opinion on it. And so with that said, let's not waste any more time at all, and let's get straight into it. And guys, don't forget, if you do want to trade a little XRP yourself and up to 500x leverage, you can check out that BTCC link down below. Guys, if you do sign up and deposit specifically with my link, they're going to give you a 10% bonus on all first-time deposits, anywhere between $500 and $100,000. This means if you deposit, say, $3,000, they'll give you $300 back on the spot to start trading with, and whatever profit you make from that, say if it's $800 or $1,000, no matter what, you get to keep it, no strings attached. You can withdraw it, reinvest it, do whatever you want with it. It's literally an opportunity to make free gains during the bull market, so go check that out down below if you are interested. Now, looking at XRP's price itself, let me lay the land a little bit. Let me give you a little bit of context so you can understand why what I'm talking about today is so important. So what XRP has been doing recently has been nothing short of phenomenal. And I mean, obviously we know that. I know the last 3 days have felt kind of bland or whatever, but you can't let that cloud your judgment. You can't let that cloud your vision. I mean, over the last couple weeks, XRP's done nothing but absolutely push to the upside, breaking through massive points of resistance, flipping them into support, clearing these regional zones, these macro zones, these all-time high zones. I mean, absolutely smashing it, opening up door after door after door to the upside. And what we have come to realize is that as XRP has been making this move upwards, it's been giving us clues throughout that move as to what would happen next. It's the reason why we were able to get some good gains off of this move and some good gains off of this descending channel, because XRP likes to leave clues and little breadcrumbs as to what we can start to expect from it going forward. And we're starting to get some of those clues and breadcrumbs now that XRP is giving us a couple of days of red here. And today I want to share with you exactly what I'm seeing, what some of those clues are, what they could mean, and why we've kind of seen them before already. And so with that in mind, let's kind of get into now what is going on at the moment. Now, I will tell you, if you are someone who gets a little bit confused by what we talk about today, macros, Fibonacci's, Bollinger Bands, whatever it may be, maybe you're a beginner, you're kind of just new here and you're trying to figure all this crypto stuff out, or maybe you're an advanced trader, you've been here for a while, but you're simply just trying to get better. Maybe you've been on a plateau and you want to elevate more. If you are someone who simply just wants to get better at this crypto thing, the only thing I ask specifically from you is that you stick around to the end of the video. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's happening over on the server. We just had some huge announcements. We have crazy classes and courses and things going on there. We have professional trade teams, and all of this is turning into massive gains. Hundreds of percentages of gains are being printed every single day, damn near every hour at this point. So again, if you're somebody who wants to elevate, just stick around to the end of the video. Now, looking at XRP a little bit closely, what we're going to do is we're going to zoom into the 4-hour charts, because what I really love to study, guys, is how cryptos will respond after pumps. What they do almost right after a pump will give you so much intel as to what you can expect. It's insane. It's almost like a cheat code to some degree. And what XRP has been doing after this most recent pump is very bullish in my opinion. You see, when a crypto pumps to the upside, you have a couple options, right? Option number one is you go up and you go right back down. This is a very common thing XRP used to do over the last couple of years, okay? Option number two is that you either go sideways or casually downwards. These are my favorite things to happen. The reason being is because this is an opportunity for the bears to start to win, because the bears always have to win at least a little bit, guys. We can't have the bulls winning for 10 months straight, right? The bears will have to win a little bit. And it's also an opportunity for the bulls to relax, for them to get some buying pressure again, right? Get some more dry powder ready to go, and then allow your indicators, your RSI, Bollinger Bands, MACD, stochastic, all of them to just reset a bit. I love when we see this. This almost always will open the door during a bull market to a move upwards eventually. And so because of that, I always look for this. Now, XRP recently has been giving us this every single pump. I want you to see what's happening. We got the pump here, we went sideways. We got the pump here, and on this one, we started to trend a little bit downwards. Now we got the pump here. Even more in the micro, we went sideways. We got the pump here. Now we're slowly trending downwards. And what you can see is that XRP is giving us that same exact structure that we have been seeing in these last few pumps, whether it's right here or whether it's right here. Now, does this mean that XRP is immediately going to start breaking up again and that we're going to start ripping up towards $3 and $3.50? No, of course, nothing guarantees that. Hell, Bitcoin just got absolutely wrecked on the 4-hour chart. A couple hours ago from recording this thing got absolutely smashed down. So what implications that has on the market, no one really knows. It doesn't really matter. Interesting interesting though, XRP didn't really react to it. It didn't particularly even care. It kind of pulled back a little bit, but not much. And so because of that, what I am seeing is that, in response to Bitcoin falling, XRP didn't really drop much. In response to this pump, XRP is giving us bullish structure. This is telling me that XRP is in a spot to where it's very likely going to try to continue the macro move upwards. What this means is that XRP very likely, as a result of what we're seeing from right here, is going to try to find what's called a higher low into a continuation. And what that means is that XRP at some point, whether it's here, or hell, maybe we come back a little bit lower towards $1.60, $1.70. And down here, I believe XRP is going to try to start working its way upwards again. And that's a good thing, because the goal is to always try to figure out, like, is the move over or not, right? Like, is this it for XRP? Is this the end of this move upwards, or is there still some more juice? And the signs and the signals that we're getting right now are the same exact ones that we've been getting recently that allowed for XRP's price to start moving upwards. I mean, it even goes down as deep into what we're seeing on the 4-hour RSI. I mean, look at what happened the last time, for example. We got a move like this. XRP pumped, went sideways, slowly, casually down. While it was in that slow downward, move right there, we saw a reset back towards roughly the 45 threshold right here. Boom. Horizontal line. And what you can see here is where we are for XRP is in the same exact position. Now, again, does this mean that XRP is just going to do exactly what happened back here and immediately start sending? No. But the signs are there that we're very likely going to see in the macro sense some sort of attempt at a higher low and then that eventual move upwards. So I am now expecting that XRP still has some room left to run and that it very possibly might continue up. The whole game here, though, is to figure out where does that go, right? Are we going to get a full reset? Are we going to see XRP nosedive to the oversold region and then that looks like its price coming all the way back down towards $1.60, $1.50? Maybe so. Is it going to maybe hold on top of this previous point of macro high support and retest the psychological level of $2? Maybe so. These are all things we'll figure out as time goes on. As more, as the days go by, I'll give you more updates on what's happening with XRP as it is trying to find higher low support. But I am under the belief now that XRP will find that support and it will try to use it to move upwards as a result of all these signals that we're getting. And that's an absolutely beautiful thing. It's a very, very, very good thing, especially if you're someone who wants to see XRP push higher in the future here. So I'll continue to update you, but the signs we're getting are very, very good. And I think we're in a really good spot. So that's that with XRP. The biggest thing that I will do now is if we do see XRP push towards $1.90 to $2, I'll probably start doing a little bit more accumulating. Although my average cost for XRP is sub 50 cents, I just can't help but be doing a little bit of buying as the market does move downwards. I did a tiny little dollar cost average earlier, and I did announce that in the Patreon, I believe. Should be somewhere around here. Yeah, bought a little bit of XRP today, but again, not much because it didn't really respond to that big dump from Bitcoin. So I just kind of did a small DCA just for funsies. And so, yeah, I'll continue to update you with this as XRP's price does give us a little bit more clarity, but in the macro sense, things are looking good, and I really wanted to share that with you today. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you are somebody whose whole entire game plan, your strategy is to get better at this whole crypto thing and try to make life-changing money, right? What I want you to do is I want you to head down below, and I want you to go check out the Patreon link down below. In the Patreon, you got two options, 17 bucks a month or $5 a month. And this is the cost of a Netflix subscription or cheaper, but what you're going to get is much more valuable than Netflix, at least in my opinion. You're going to get access to Insights with Tyler, which gives you access to some of the things that I'm buying and selling, some of my trades. You can also see my general thoughts and insights and advice on random things and news and events and stuff like that. There's daily technical analysis on all your favorite cryptos. There's daily fundamental analysis on the broad market itself. I've hired 2 professional teams of traders who are going to be posting every day. Not going to be, they are posting every day their buy and sell signals. These are professional trade teams, people whose entire business relies on them making good, profitable trades over a long period of time. And they're giving you their buy and sell signals. Pro Trade Team 1, Pro Trade Team 2. We just made an announcement that every morning, Monday through Friday at noon, there's going to be a show with one of our coaches, Crypto Moses, in which he's going to be doing a live stream going over the market. We have premium classes on things like the Fibonacci's and bull market investing, premium workshops. We have beginners courses on things like leverage trading, things like technical analysis, 30-minute longs, 30-minute long courses on these things. And we have one coming out on fundamental analysis, meme coin investing, altcoin investing, and a couple more beginners courses coming out there. There's Tyler's tips, 2 to 3 minute long videos on random things to help you out. And then the community. The community is absolutely smashing it, taking all of these lessons that they're learning, creating strategies, and printing hundreds of percentages of gains every single day. This is just today, what you're seeing right now. This is just today, the gains that they're printing. So if you want to be a part of this, if you want to really start to elevate and learn as much about crypto as possible in a short period of time to start using it to make gains, go down below. As I mentioned before, it's the cost of a Netflix subscription or cheaper. I think that's a crazy good deal. So go check that out. Let me know what you think. And don't forget, if you do want to start trading some XRP yourself, you can get that bonus over on BTCC. But I'll update you, of course. I try to do one video on XRP every day, at least 5 a week. So I will probably be doing another vid on XRP tomorrow night as we do start to get some movement here. So if you have been enjoying it, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody.